And she is a mini lace part. The color is extraordinary. Let me tell you why. This looks like it is growing out of my scalp. Let me find my ear tabs. Here we go, right there. Okay, but now, y'all know I don't like a middle part, so let me change this around. Just order my Jacqueline, yay! And some other beauty products. Thank you, Jacqueline. Thank you so much. All right, look at these colors. Look how they blend and look how they look like they're really growing out of my scalp. Now watch this. I'm gonna take it to that side. Okay. I am going to pick up my wide tooth comb. Y'all see all that frizziness? Now let's calm that down. Calm it down. Using my fingers. Calming it down. Calming it down. Not panicking. Not getting all crazy. Because what happens is sometimes you're just a little too rough. A little bit too, you know, because you have to remember with your hands and all of that stuff, it gets hot and that's how it frizzes up. This beauty solution kind of cools down those fibers where it won't frizz up. It lessens the frizz, okay? So I'm gonna pull back, okay? Like this. And then you just kind of play in it just a little bit. Pull your fingers. Hold on one second. And I'm gonna pull up this way. So I would love for you to tune in every Thursday and Saturday at 4 o'clock sharp on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and you know what? You now can tune in on my website, lehosthair.com. All you have to do is punch in lehosthair.com or just Lehost Hair on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And every Thursday at 4 o'clock and Saturday at 4 o'clock, I'm gonna be there with the Beauty Cutie teaching you how to look amazing and feel wonderful. Listen, we're giving out great discounts this Saturday and this Thursday, so you don't wanna miss it.